Alright, we are here to plan for the week of December 16th to December 22nd, I think? Sure. And we are going to use this kit from my shop called Baking Spirits Bright. And it's this like pastel little gingerbread people, which is super cute. So, let's see. Do we have a lot going on this week? Kind of. Let's see here. We are going to... Okay, we are going to... Let's see. We've got only 2 more weeks left in here. And I've got quite a bit of paper. So do I want to do a day to a page? Or do I want to do 2 days to a page? Because last week I had that flare up. So we did this kind of spread. So I'm thinking maybe I want to do 2 days to a page like this. Maybe? Because there's not a lot going on this week. So I can't see me using an entire page for a day. It just feels... I don't know. It just doesn't feel right. But then if I do that, because I've only got this week and next week in this one, and then we move into our new one. Or do I want to do... that's another idea. We can just finish the whole year in this, and then when we start the new one, only do that half a week the first week. Oh, decisions. Let's do... Yeah, let's just do 2 days to a page here. Let's do our washi tape first. I love this cute little set. Like, I don't know, I was obsessed. I do my Christmas designing in the summer, so everything is ready, and I don't like not have stickers ready for people because I know, like, I don't know, I don't plan this far ahead, but I love to have my like sets ready for this time of year ahead of time. Like, I'm not going to be the person that buys her Christmas stickers for her planner like the beginning of December. That's not me. I wouldn't do that. Oh, dang it. Oh. Guys, come on. Don't rip. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Try that again. But anyway, I'm not the girl who's going to buy her planner stickers for December, the first week of December, or even, you know, I want to have my stickers ready to go, and I want to have options to have. So this was my December design. I wanted to do like cookies and gingerbread and, you know, all the sweet stuff that makes kids love Christmas other than the presents, right? Because let's face it, I don't know why, I have a very childlike art style. It's kind of just the way things are. You know, I'm going to be... I've been promising for a while to do a studio tour, which is coming up. I'm going to be filming it on Monday. And once you see my studio, you'll be like, oh, that's why she is the way she is. Yeah. Everything I like is a little bit childlike. Like, when I get excited about stuff, my brother used to tease me all the time, you're just like a little kid. And I always will be. I cannot help it. It is the way that it is. So when I design stuff, it looks like little kid art because that's what I like. And there's no shame in that. You do what makes you happy. And I don't care. I'm going to be, how old am I going to be? 51? Yeah. I'm going to be 51 in January. And so what if I like little kid stuff? So what if it makes me happy? Who gets to dictate what makes you happy? You. No one else. And if someone's got a problem with what makes you happy, it is their problem, not yours. So who cares? I got all excited because the husband and I went to get our shingles shots last week, and they had a bunch of Snoopy stuff there, and I've been crazy about Snoopy since I was a little girl. I'm talking before I ever even went to school, little. And they had the cutest plush toy of Zero from Nightmare on Elm Street. Nightmare on Elm Street? No. Nightmare Before Christmas. Can you tell my brain's just not firing on all cylinders today? Good Lord. So he spoiled me and he bought me a Zero and he bought me some Snoopy things. And I'm telling you, my year was made. I'm a simple girl. Buy me dog things. Oh, look what I just did. Do I have something I can make that go away? Look what I did, you guys. What the heck? Let's see. We've got these little... Yeah. Nope. I'm going to have to live with that. Ugh. Fine. I'm going to... What do I want to do? Do I want to put these on the bottom? Do I want to put them on the top? We're going to use these days. Again, people who subscribe to the newsletter in December, the beginning of December, you got this free printable. You have to subscribe by the 1st of the month to get the free printable. It's available to you all month, but I have no way for you to subscribe to the newsletter and get this month's stickers without resending that email to everyone on the list, because my email thing is beyond stupid and I can't help it. So here we are. Let's do, we're just going to put the dates up top. Or do we want to like mix it up and put everything on the bottom? No, I hate that idea. We're going to put it up here. Okay. Is that... Oh my gosh. That's where this week is supposed to go. What is wrong with me, you guys? Seriously. Well, you know what we'll do? We'll just do this and then we'll do a next week. Oh, be flexible, right? That's what they always tell us. Us type A people, we struggle with the whole be flexible. It's not really something we're good at. But we're gonna try. Anyway. I'm just kind of like, I've been in a really weird mood lately, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I am in my, I just want to be cozy. Like, I've been fussing about this studio tour that I want to do, okay? I'm not a young woman. I'm not a particularly pretty woman. I never have been. I'm also not somebody who lives an Instagram ready sort of life. I'm just not. I like what I like and I do what I do, and that's it. So I've been fussing about these studio vlogs that I want to do because I really feel like I need to mix some things up here. Things are getting boring for me to film. I don't know if you guys are bored, but I'm bored. And you know how I am, even with my planners. It's not hard for me to get bored with what I'm doing. And I need to mix it up every once in a while. So I'm not really changing much in my planner lineup, but I'm changing the way I'm doing videos. But I've been really fussing about this because, again, not an aesthetic kind of person. I'm not young. I'm not, you know, this cute thing that people enjoy looking at. Like, it's just me, you know. I'm a Gen X grunge hippie girl who's just doing her thing. And do people want to see that? Who knows? But guess what people are going to get to see? A whole lot of that. And I'm just hoping people don't get bored and leave the channel and think she's lost her mind. Let's see, next week. I can't talk and write at the same time, guys, because my lips and my brain can't be active at the same time. So this new year is going to be a lot of you getting to see how things work in my studio. And it's not just about me showing you how I'm running my business, although that's part of it. But it's about, you know, trying to show people like me, we're not dead yet. Like, just because I'm 50 doesn't mean it's over, you know. I'm gonna put these at the bottom, and I think I'm gonna offset them. And I don't want to use this one because that's just like the bottom washi, so I'm gonna use that one last. Ugh. So anyway, I'm kind of shaking things up, but not really giving a crap, to be honest, what other people really want to see. I need to do what is stimulating, I guess, for me, because I'm struggling. I always struggle this time of year with seasonal depression, you know, on top of the regular depression that I have. It is what it is. The kind of depression that I have is, it's called dysthymia. Basically, I am the human equivalent of Eeyore. My mood, like normal people's mood, is here. And when people get depressed, their mood comes here. People with dysthymia, this is their normal. They are depressed. And when things go bad, it gets worse. That's dysthymia. Not the funnest thing in the world, but it is what it is. All right, so now we've got our deco. And I think I want to put like the little candies up here. So I made these little gumdrop things and these little mint things. Like, did your grandma have like all that hard candy, like she kept in a candy dish? It was never covered up. Like, you know, now that I think about it, like I've never done that as an adult, had the hard candy dish, because it always kind of grossed me out because everything would get like melty and melt together. And you know, as an adult with issues with germs, like, It's uncovered for how many weeks? Like, isn't there dust on that? Gross. Just gross, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Can't handle it. Am I crazy? Yeah. I don't deny it. But I also can't handle it, so it is what it is. But there are always those like weird little gumdrops with the like too much sugar on them kind of stuff. And for next week, we are going to put, whoa, hello, these down the side for our list. There we go. I think this is super cute. Such a cute little sticker set. All right, so we've got this deco. Let's do them in the middle. That looks cute, right? Why not? We'll do some big ones right in the middle. Put this tree, come on tree. Right there. We don't have a middle for there because we have all those stickers. And we've got these extras. I think we're just gonna put them all over. I'm not interested in doing any boxes this week. I'm just gonna kind of like journal in there the way I want things to be. Oh, I shouldn't have put that there when I had that there. Ugh. Oh well, too late. I'm not moving it now. I have to get out the undo, and I don't wanna. So there. I thought these turned out super duper cute. Super duper cute. And you know what? We'll put the candy cane over here, and we'll put the light. Come on, light. We'll put it. Where do we want it? Put it here. I'm gonna put there. There we go. And there you have it. There's our week ready to go. Super cute. So if you like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up and a like. And if you really want to support this channel, give me a subscribe and leave a comment down below. It really helps the algorithm show my work to more people. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.